Can shampoo make your hair go from this straight hair to this amazing curly hair? No. No. I'm just gonna kind of explain to you all that it's really a myth, to be honest with you, because this amazing curly hair right here, this is natural. This is a natural curl pattern. And unfortunately, the only way to change any sort of curl pattern on your hair is through a chemical process. Like if you're getting a perm, or if your hair's curly, you want it straight, you're getting a straightener, a relaxer, a keratin, any of these types of chemical treatments. That's the only way you can change your hair pretty much permanently until, it gets cut off or it grows out or your natural hair comes in, which is, untouched. That's the only way you can really change the texture from like straight to curly or curly to straight. A shampoo, a conditioner, it's not going to suddenly make your hair curly. I mean, I've been doing hair for a very, very long time, and there's been a lot of claims about things like that. Now, what could happen is in certain shampoos, like I've got amazing shampoos and conditioners, the ingredients can be very, very healthy for the hair, like nutrients for the hair, which could maybe add some more moisture to it, which could really make the hair look a lot healthier, be more lively, maybe get a little more volume, which could enhance what you already have. Like if you have curly hair, you've got wavy hair, you've got super straight hair, you want like a smoothing type of shampoo or conditioner or whatever it is, it can enhance that and make it look better and look healthier, but it's not going to make your hair go from, straight hair to curly or straight to wavy. What can do that, and I've done this in many, many of my videos, it's basically using different techniques, right? And products, like my Tidal Wave product, or using the diffuser with my blow dryer and scrunching, like products and techniques for styling, that can also, change the texture. Not permanently, because I get a lot of questions from people saying, what happens if I wash my hair? Well, it's like ironing a shirt with no wrinkles, then you put water on it or you scrunch it up, it's gonna be all wrinkled. You have to iron it again, wash it again. So it's not permanent when you're doing any sort of styling stuff. You wash your hair and that's all gone, okay? It's like you have to start all over again. So that's why I suggest don't wash your hair every single day, especially if you're straightening it or you like having some curl or some natural, waves to it that you can get, again, from straight hair as long as you have the right haircut. You watch my videos and tutorials on how to get curly or wavy hair and use the right product. So, I mean, I guess, once again, no, in my opinion. A shampoo simply cannot just make your hair curly. If there's products that are promoting that, I don't know, I wouldn't buy into it. But again, they can make your hair look a lot healthier, more moisturized, maybe some more volume, which could enhance what you already have. So let me know if you found this video helpful. If you do have a shampoo that makes your hair go from magically straight to curly hair, then please let me know in the comments below. So if you want to purchase any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks.